Good day everyone. Today I'm going to discuss to you the Republic Act number 6655. Republic Act number 6655, an act establishing and providing for a free public secondary education and for other purposes. This act is also known as the Free Public Secondary Education Act of 1988. The Declaration of Policy. It is the policy of the state to provide for a free public secondary education to all qualified citizens and to promote quality education at all levels. So who are these qualified citizens? Of course, we Filipinos. And next, what is quality education? Quality education enables people to develop all of their attributes and skills to achieve their potential as human beings and members of the society. Next is the definition of terms. We have here free public secondary education means that the students enrolled in secondary course offerings in national high schools, general comprehensive high schools, trade, technical, vocational, fishery, and agricultural schools, and in schools established, administered, maintained, and funded by the local government units, including city, provincial, municipal, and barangay high schools, and those public high schools which may be established by law shall be free from payment of tuition and other school fees. Next is tuition fee. Refers to the fees representing direct costs of instruction, training, and other related activities, and for the students' use of the instruction and training facilities. Other school fees refers to those fees which covers other necessary costs supportive of instruction, including but not limited to medical and dental, athletic, library, laboratory, and citizens' army training fees. However, fees related to membership in the school community, such as identification cards, student organizations, and publications may be collected, provided that non-payment to these fees shall not in any case be a bar to the enrollment or graduation of any student. Next is the implementation of free public secondary education. The system of free public secondary education as provided in this act shall commence in school year 1988 to 1989, and that the students enrolled in secondary course offerings in national and general comprehensive high schools, state colleges and universities, specialized schools, trade, technical, vocational, fishery, and agricultural schools, and in schools which may be established by law shall be free from payment of tuition and other school fees, except fees related to membership in the school community, such as identification cards, student organizations, and publication, which may be collected. Clarificatory guideline on free public secondary education, particularly in fees, as provided in Republic Act 6655. There are free fees and voluntary fees. What are the free fees? Well, the tuition fee and other fees. What are the voluntary fees? Fees related to the school community, such as ID membership fee, school publication, and there are also fees covered by President Proclamation or Executive Order, Authority Fund, and educational campaign, such as Red Cross, Boy Scouts, and Girl Scouts. Next is the formulation of secondary education curriculum. The Department of Education, Culture and Sports shall formulate a secondary education curriculum in order to upgrade its quality, efficiency, and access. In addition to providing the high school students with general skills, knowledge, and values, such as curriculum must include vocational and technical courses that will give the students gainful employment. This curriculum consists cognitive, affective, manipulative based, in example, humanities, science, and technology, shall form cognitive dimensions, moral, spiritual, social, political, aesthetic, and work values. It also consists core subjects, includes the study of the Constitution, and adheres to the bilingual policy. Next is the limitation. The right of any student to avail of free public high school shall terminate if he fails for 2 consecutive school years in the majority of the academic subjects in which he is enrolled during the course of his study, unless such failure is due to some valid cause. So due to some valid cause means that the circumstances for such failures may be attributed to the reasons beyond student control, such as illness, family, instability, or environmental disturbances. So next is the nationalization of public secondary schools. To effectively implement the system, the establishment, renaming, conversion, integration, separation, administration, supervision, and control of all public secondary schools and public secondary school teachers and other school personnel, including the payment of their salaries, allowances, and other fringe benefits, as well as those already provided by local governments, are hereby vested in the Department of Education, Culture, and Sports. Next is priority in admission. Graduates of public elementary schools in a municipality shall be given priority in admission when the present facilities in the same municipality cannot accommodate all of those applying for enrollment in the public high school. Next is the implementing rules and regulations. The Secretary of Education, Culture, and Sports shall issue the necessary rules and regulations to implement this act. Next is funding. The President is hereby authorized to realign or transfer any item of appropriation within the Department of Education, Culture, and Sports, and or utilize any savings therein to carry out the purposes of this act. Whatever additional amount as may be needed for its implementation shall be included in the General Appropriations Acts for the ensuing fiscal years. May 26, 1988, the Congress enacted RA 6655, which made free public education to become a reality, which was approved by the President Corazon C. Aquino. So what are the benefits of these acts? Well, secondary education will be accessible to all since it will be free of charge except for the fees I've mentioned earlier. Through this, there will be a probability that the country will produce more manpower. Well, education is therefore not a privilege, but a right. Thank you everyone for listening.